In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Instagram music problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might be trying to post something, whether it's a story or a reel or a post or anything like that, but you might find that you can't find the music that you're looking for. Now, there's a few reasons for this, so we're just going to open up the Instagram app. Once you do, you're obviously going to be on this page. You can obviously make a new story, you can do a post or a reel or anything like that. So the very first reason is that, basically different apps like Instagram and Snapchat, they have licenses that cycle throughout every 6 months to 1 year. So it could be that a music license with an artist or a studio has just run out. So that's why you can't find the specific music you're looking for. But another option you can also do is go to your profile on the bottom right. Then once you do, it's going to look like this. So if you're on a professional account, whether it's a, creator account or a business account, you're going to see a professional dashboard and things like that. But what we're going to do to access all of the music on Instagram is go to the top right where you see those three little lines. It's going to bring you over to your settings and activity. Then just scroll down until you find for professionals, business tools and controls. So we're just going to click on that, and then towards the bottom you're going to see switch account type. Once you do that, switch to a personal account, and then all you want to do is click switch to a personal account again, and then it's going to kind of freeze. So you just want to go out of Instagram, go back in, and now whenever you go and post anything, you're going to be on a personal account. And now I can even go down, go to account privacy. I can make my account private as well. But then whenever I go to post anything, I can have a full catalog of music.